today's video I have the June OK Beauty box. Let's get in here and see what goodies we've got. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing fabulous today. Today's video, like I said, this is the unboxing of the June OK Beauty box. So it just says on here, this box has been lovingly created by our expert beauty team with you in mind. Inside you'll discover a minimum of 5 products worth at least £80, all tried, tested and loved by our beauty editors. This box is £15 per month. There is like a little code on their website where you can get your first box for £7.50. I'll link it down below in the information box and I'll pop that code there. You might as well get that saving, it's awesome. But yeah, opening it up, this is what we get. We've got the edit card with information on all the products, which we will be looking at in a bit. We have like a little voucher thing for the magazine, and then yeah, the products themselves. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. Helps my channel out so much. But on the edit card, it just says that the June edit is called the Double Duty Beauty Edit. The first product that we have is this. So this is by the brand Pixi and it is Clarity Lotion. This is a full-size product at 50 ml and it has a value of £24. Treat your skin texture to instant refinement with this versatile oil-free lotion. The lightweight water-based formula smooths the look of pores and locks down on shine while immediately boosting hydration. Yeah, that sounds absolutely amazing. It just says apply after cleansing and toning and after using a serum. Yeah, cool. Let's have a little look. If this is sealed, I'm probably going to leave it sealed because I have so many bits open at the moment. Oh, stay there you. I'm throwing everything around. This is what it looks like. It's a little metal tube. Really nice, pretty packaging, I must say. I have a feeling that this is sealed, and it is. It's going to be stained that way, sorry guys. But yeah, anything that boosts hydration is great. I have combination skin, so can be oily in places and not in others. In other places I can be quite dry, but yeah, I can't wait to try that. And it's nice to get something in the beauty boxes by Pixi that's different from what we normally receive, so that is cool. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Advanced Skincare, and this is Reconstructing Keratin Complex Ultra Shine Hair Cream. Okay, this is a deluxe travel size at 25 ml and has a value of £17. A dream of a hair cream designed to leave your locks soft, smooth and shiny while stimulating growth and soothing the scalp. The lightweight formula minimises the look of split ends and frizz. You just take a small amount into the palms and apply evenly to clean hair. Do not rinse. I am so excited to get something, one, by the brand Avant. They do really expensive skincare, but to get something for the hair, cool. I'm so happy to get a different product by this brand, and I absolutely love hair products, so you know I've got to try this out, most definitely. I'm taking it, yeah, this is sealed. Their products normally are because they're so expensive. Yeah, really happy to get that. The third product that we've got is this. So this is by the brand Revolution Skincare and this is AHA Smoothing Body Cleanser. It's a full-size product at 200 ml and it has a value of £6, so really affordable. It just says great skincare doesn't stop at the neck. This body cleanser is formulated with lactic acid and glycolic acid to slay away dead skin cells and reveal softer, smoother texture. Glycerin locks in moisture, sweet almond oil conditions, and prebiotic inulin boosts microbiome. Massage into the skin daily and rinse. That is cool. So basically it's a shower gel. Yeah, I've never tried anything like this from Revolution, so super excited to give it a go. And yeah, I love AHAs, so that's definitely going straight in my shower to use. This says that it is vegan and cruelty free, if anybody wants to know. Is it? It's not sealed. Oh my god, that smells lovely. That smells really nice. Oh yeah, definitely, like I said, it's definitely straight in my shower. Fourth product I have is this. So this is by the brand Percy and Reed, and it is I Need a Hero Wonder Shampoo. It's travel size at 50 mils and it has a value of £10. And it just says, look after hair needs with this award-winning sulfate-free shampoo. The adapted formula delivers moisture where it's needed most and defends against pollution and UV light to keep your colour fresh. Just apply to wet hair, massage into a rich lather, rinse and repeat, then rinse well. Yeah, cool. Spoiler, there is no conditioner in here, and if you watch my channel regularly, you know I am a sucker for a set. I'm really a sucker for a set, so I'm really disappointed that there's not a matching conditioner in here to go with it. But we'll certainly give it a go. What I'm trying to do, just to get through some of the products that I do have, if I have any odd shampoos without the accompanying conditioners, I use a hair mask as the conditioner type of thing. But yeah, I like a set. But yeah, cool. Nice to get a different product by this brand, so let's have a sniff. I don't know what that smells of, but it smells decent. Okay. So the fifth and final product in the box is this. Please ignore my gel polish there. I got it done before I went on holiday, and oh my god, look how much it's grown out. I need to get it removed. I might have to sit there and do it tonight. But this is by the brand Dr. Eva Youth, and it is Vitamin E and Peppermint Lip Plumping Gloss. Ooh. This is a full size, which is 8 mils, and it has a value of £40. Oh my goodness, £40 for some lip gloss. Nourish and plump lips in one swipe with this luxurious gloss, with targeted active ingredients for plumping, shine, care and protection. It's just the thing to help the lips look fuller and youthful. Apply single strokes of the lip gloss until you have full coverage. Repeat as needed. Okay, yeah, cool. It sounds good. I have a few plumping lip glosses, and I'm gonna have to do some videos on them just to try them out and see how plumping they are and do little reviews on them. This is definitely gonna have to be one of them. So I won't test it out now, but I certainly will in a future video. So I'm not going to open it and break the seal. We're just going to have a bit of a nosy. Ooh, that looks so cute. You can see the product in there, but packaging alone gets a thumbs up from me. Hey guys, so this is the June OK Beauty box. What do you think? Personally, I'm really liking this box. It's nice to get products by brands that we haven't received before. So a lot of these brands do the rounds in the beauty boxes and we get the same products kind of circulating, but the products are different from the brands. So yeah, that is awesome. Really love a good body cleanser, and when it's an AHA one, cool. The Pixi Clarity Lotion sounds awesome. The hair cream by Avant, I am intrigued and I need to slap that all over my hair straight away. The Wonder Shampoo, cool. I just wish there'd have been conditioner, but I'm picky, what can I say? Really want to try the Plumping lip gloss and see how plumping it is. And yeah, I just think it's good. What do you think? Comment down below. Do you get this box? As I say, I'll link it down below. I'll put the code thing that I found on the website where you can get it for half price, £7.50. Up to you if you want to treat yourself or not. But yeah, overall, massive thumbs up from me. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.